This is Artisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, listen. Do you know how to get food color? Look at this. I did a baby shower cake today for a little boy, and I got food color all on me. Now I'm about to do a photo shoot, and I can't have blue hands. First thing you do is you wash your hands with soap. And you know, whenever you wash your hands, it should at least be for 30 seconds, so you should be able to sing happy birthday when you wash your hands. So I'm so used to doing it, I can sing happy birthday while I wash my hands. Okay. It's starting to come out a little bit, but it still looks crazy. Toothpaste. Did you know that? Listen, you put toothpaste on your hands and the same 30 seconds, like you singing happy birthday. No gel. I usually just get the cheap toothpaste from Family Dollar. I mean, a Dollar Tree. Okay. So you just keep washing it. Oh, it's coming out. You just keep washing it until it comes out, because I gotta get my nails done. I can't have no blue hands. Okay, this is the first wash. Now, I'm ready to do it again. Did you know that?